Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Toyota RAV4 XLE. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a nice backup camera, nice little roof spoiler, roof rails as well. We get some nice black and silver accents on this vehicle as well, some black fenders, and we do get mud flaps on the rear and front with turn light indicated mirrors, blind spot detection, and moving to the front we do get a nice black hood deflector, got that block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Toyota grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You have lights, hooks, and doodads. You got a 12 volt there, cargo cubby here, more hooks on this side, and you do get a nice cargo screen here, which you can keep your goods protected, and they just hook on right there. And of course you do get your normal storage underneath as well, and you do get a nice cargo net that you can set up and your spare tire. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back, got that nice textured speaker right there, got some floor mats with a carpeted interior, 2 USB-Cs down there, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you can fold your seats down for additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, the nice RAV4 logo there, tons of door space, you got your mirrors, windows all there, and memory seating for up to 2 drivers, got your lights, heated steering wheel, liftgate, little storage cubby, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 12,781 kilometers. Heated leather up steering wheel, got your collision, cruise control, lane centering mode, playback, play forward, volume, voice, toggle for screen, phone, and for here you can go through eco mode, all that jazz, cruise control, your music, information about the vehicle, all-wheel drive, trip 1, all that jazz, and blind spot monitoring, vehicle settings, all that jazz, no messages, and all that fun. To my right we have our parking brake, auto hold, eco, normal, sport mode, snow, mud and sand, and rock and dirt. Little storage cubby, more storage here with the 12 volt and USB. Your gear select, cup holders with storage with some USB-Cs down there. Traction with heated front seats, auto stop, auto start. You can dual climate up front, which is pretty handy. With your storage below, and above me we have our SOS and our features for our sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And you got your hazards right here, and looking at our main screen here, we got our navigation, music, where you have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM, which is pretty handy. You got your phone controls, vehicle information such as vehicle alert, all that jazz, settings. You can have personal profiles on this vehicle as well, which is pretty nice. Wi-Fi, display mode, software updates, and any apps you may have downloaded. And shifting the car into reverse, you do get that nice backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE40427A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.